I was born in the 80s with that summertime love, then changed the whole game. Like what have I done? Out the gutter I come to touch the bright sun, and from the highest heights, motherfucker, I jump. Free in the sky of belief I can fly. Ain't no telling what they're selling, man, they're sheep in disguise. Keep this in mind, I keep on my grind. I can do it anywhere I wanna do it, and bitch, I'll sleep when I die. Explosive, ferocious, get up, get down, that showbiz. Power to the people that have freedom in their...
On est dans le Verdon là, ça y est, on a trouvé un spot sympa. Les gars ils veulent sauter de là. Du coup c'est quoi l'idée Léo là, tu veux sauter?
L'idée c'est de courir là, il y a un petit run. Et on arrive et on saute dans l'arbre. Et il y a Vlad qui va me suivre avec son drone. Ça va être stylé. Si je tape en place ça va être énorme mais...
Il y a un peu de distance quoi.
Ouais tu sais ça. T'as pas Vlad?
One side, you think they got their sons and daughters on the front line, not down for war but down to get an education. We're all equal yet they push synthetic separation, but in this matrix I won't be failing to make it. This is my cause, no space sailor with Sagan. I heard it's not where you're from, it's where you're carving your view. I heard you don't have to wear a suit to argue the truth. And so, who are you to tell me how to live my life? Cause I won't give this up. These are my shoes, my view, my cue to say I do give a fuck. And pretty soon I'ma bloom and it'll be alright. Every day's another chance to ignite. Cause I'm addicted, I'm addicted, I'm addicted to this universal feeling called life.
Through the region of maximum dynamic pressure now. Yeah, they finally gave me a window to look at. Visual is go today. And ignition.
They spoon feed, but I won't be taking that sedative. Cause my thoughts are way too precious to waste on the negative. I keep them critical yet positive to break the chains. Every dawn is a new chance to make a change. Think about all the energy swirling all around us. We project it, we get affected. This is profound stuff. Earth is my garden and I grew from it. I pay the youth homage cause I know they're...
Dernier spot de la journée, on a repéré une petite antenne avec les gars. Ils veulent monter tout en haut et moi je pense que je vais faire un petit vol en drone. En plus c'est le coucher de soleil, la lumière elle devrait être super belle.
C'est un vol timing hirondelle.
Les gars ils sont encore là-haut en train de profiter des dernières lueurs. Nous on a filmé ce qu'on voulait, du coup maintenant on va aller chercher un petit spot pour dormir parce qu'on est tous bien crevés. Allez ciao.
Mais on dirait que ça va partir parce qu'il y a des grosses étincelles.